Ready? Tegan? Tegan, what's that? Present! Present! Open it up! Open it up! Open it up!
Hug it, give it a hug.
Open it up, you gotta tear it. Grab hold and say, oh, tear it open. You get it. Yay! Get it. What is it? Merry Christmas! Open it up. Here you go. Tear it.
What is that, Tegan?
Yay! What is it? It's a blanket. Yeah. You ready for another one? You want this one? Okay.
What is it? What is it, Tegan?
Put your present right there. So put that one down. Tear it open. Tear at it. Get in there. Yay, Tegan, get it. Presents.
What is it, Tegan?
What is that?
A
It's a ball, Tegan! Yay! It's a ball! Kick it! Kick it! Kick it! You got it. Kick it with your foot! Kick it with your foot! Yay!
Ow! Ow!
Tegan, what's this one? Presents! Get at it. You gotta tear it. Tear at it. Get that right there. Yay! Tegan! Oh my goodness, what is it?
No papers. He tore a little heart in it. Mommy is very generous. I mean, Santa is very generous with the wrapping paper.
What is it?
Yay! It's a new Magner Doodle!
Here you go. Let's get it out for you, alright?